Hello, friends. So, I am here with the 13th characteristics of successful people from chapter number 22 of book, The 10x Rule. So, 13 characteristics. So, successful people, they are habitually committed. So, in any situation, any given situation, when once they decide that they want to achieve anything, they will be fully and consistently, they will be committed towards their goal, and they will take action towards their goal they want to achieve. On the other hand, unsuccessful people, they rarely commit anything, or even if they will commit, they will always talk about that they will try something. In reality, they will never commit towards any action which they should take to achieve the success. They will keep on planning the things, they will keep on trying. I mean, they will say we will try. But successful people, they say yes, I am committing it, and every day, every moment, they will spend their time towards the action which will take them towards their goal, dream. So successful people, I mean, how they will commit, it's like they will stop testing the temperature of the water. They will straight away, they will jump. It is something like that when we'll take a dive into the swimming pool. So once the dive we have taken, we are in the, even if we are in the mid air, we will not stop, we have to go into the water. So the commitment is like that for the successful people. So friend, this chapter or this particular characteristic is saying that commit fully as though you are already successful. So commit in that manner, take the action, and achieve your success. So thank you, friend. I will come with another characteristics of the successful people. The chapter, it will be the 14 characteristics. Till then, bye and see you soon.